Coinbase just dropped a new report, and it's not great news for altcoin fans. According to CNBC, the total market cap for altcoins fell a massive 46% from their December high. But what does that actually mean? Why is it happening? And should you be worried? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break it all down. The report from Coinbase said that from December 2024 to April 2025, the total market value of altcoins dropped by 46%. That's nearly half the value gone in just a few months. If you had $1,000 in altcoins in December, it could be worth around $540 today. Ouch. This fall shows that the market isn't just cooling off. It's actually shrinking fast, especially outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Great question, and it's not just bad luck. Coinbase mentioned a few reasons. Low trading volume. Fewer people are buying and selling, which makes prices more sensitive to sudden moves. Regulatory uncertainty. Many altcoins are being looked at closely by US regulators, especially the SEC. That's scaring off investors. Shift toward Bitcoin. With Bitcoin ETFs approved earlier this year, more investors are playing it safe and putting money into Bitcoin instead of riskier altcoins. Think of it like a storm. Bitcoin is the big sturdy ship. Altcoins are the smaller boats, and they get tossed around more when the waves hit. If you're holding altcoins, this might feel pretty scary. But here's the thing. Yes, prices are down, but crypto markets are always changing. Many altcoins went through similar dips in the past, and some came back stronger. Others disappeared. That's why research and diversification are key. And remember, don't invest more than you can afford to lose, especially with altcoins, which are high risk, high reward. Here are a few things you can do if you're feeling uncertain right now. Review your portfolio. Are you overexposed to risky coins? Rebalance. Maybe move a little more into Bitcoin or stablecoins if you're nervous. Stay updated. Follow news from Coinbase, CNBC, or channels like this one. Think long term. This drop could also be a chance to buy if you believe in certain projects. And hey, it's totally okay to just sit tight and wait things out too. Sometimes doing nothing is the best move. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto updates, and drop a comment if you've got any questions or just want to share how your portfolio is doing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.